Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create monkey vlog with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use Pixers AI. So first of all, you can open up app.pixers.ai and then you can sign into this website using your Google account, and then you will be able to get 60 credits for free or daily credits. Okay, and let's start creating the monkey vlog. For the prompt, I have already asked the ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. This is the prompt, and I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to paste it on Pixverse. Okay, and here you can choose the duration, and I'm going to select this menu and change the aspect ratio. I'm going to upload it to TikTok, so we can choose this portrait ratio and we can click on create. As you can see, it needs 20 credits. Okay, and then okay, now the video is being generated by the AI. We need to wait until 100%. And this is the video I have generated before. I created a chicken video. Okay, and this is the video. I'm going to play it. Okay, this is the result, and if you want to download it, you can click on this download icon and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.